Hello everyone. I am back again. This time is for gossip. Please subscribe on my YouTube channel, Story of Motherhood, Mother's Love. Follow me on Instagram, Motherhood206, and like and follow me on Facebook, Mother's Love. It's your lady JJ. So I am back again. I told you guys that immediately after that short video, I will come back, because being a mother, you have to attend to some choice. My son was giving me signal, so I quickly cut that video to attend to his needs. Is his right? You know what I mean? So I just got an information. You cannot believe it. Oh my God. Being a mother should be a thing of joy. It should be something you prepare for. Should be something you want. Never let anyone push you to carry a child in your womb, or to adopt, or to do surrogate, or to do IVF, just for your selfish interests. My brothers and sisters, my mothers, you cannot believe what I hear from Malaysia. Oh my God. Can you believe it that people are making money out of giving birth? They will just carry belle. If they carry belle finish, they go born and they will go sell them 2 million naira. They go this, you know how many? The person will tell me this story. Say, you know how many people they do that business now for Malaysia? I ask the person, you sure say what you tell me that truth? She said yes, that they sell it 1 million to 2 million naira for baby. Hey. Oh, this one pain me. This one pain me. Make I drink put. It's so emotional. I am so emotional in this. How can you, oh God, carry a child for 9 months? Some people carry it for 10, 11 months. Some even born natural. Some deliver the baby natural. Some go through cesarean. They go through operation. And then you carry this baby. This baby, this your flesh and blood, just for money. You go and sell. Oh, God will not forgive you. God will not forgive you. Because when that time comes that you want a family, when that time comes that you need children, you know, see, you go say now the winch from your papa village or the winch from your mama village. Now in the cousin. No, my sister, not be winch from your papa village, the cousin. Now wait till you use your hand call. Now law of karma. Now law of karma, they worry you. Now law of karma. This one not be say, well, some people did this Europe, they collect their picking. No, this one you sell them. You sell them because of paper, because of money, 1 to 2 million. And you believe say that money you go use and they do better. Even if now house you build, now old school later. Your old age you go suffer. I beg you they share this video, make it share and go Malaysia. Make Malaysia people hear around. Those people, those bad women, girls. Wait, be say now to the born, now they set children. Now don't tire. No be prostitution again. Now they mix them now. Now mixing things now. Now do prostitution for night, daytime. Now carry belle. Some they go do the prostitution. They will carry belle inside the thing they born. Two occupation, illegal occupation now on gets prostitution and child trafficking. You go carry belle on your own, sign contract. Now go they say the best way give me this information. Say one girl don't set 3 children. Now in born. You don't know whether now the 3 children where God say now you go born for earth be that. You don't sell them. So if you can't stay later, they find picky, you go send out the winch from your papa or your mama village. Now can't they blame winches where they did their own? No winches, they don't get hand for your own. Now you frustrate yourself. Now can't they blame them if you not see picking born? How God go take forgive you? See, some people no say love karma, and that kind of people, if he reach that time where they will come, they find picking, they will come enter church, they will come turn artificial born again, fake born again. Now they will come join choir or usher or any worker. They will come say they won't dey close to God. God no dey see you. No verse. I know say God they accept the sinners, but you must pay for it. Even if he accepts you, say he don't forgive you, that law of karma, that punishment, you must still receive am. And that punishment, now if he result to say, you no go see pikin born because maybe your destiny now to get to 1, 2, 3, you don't say them. So even if you can't give your life to God that time, now you can't get close to God, still you go still remain that barren. You'll still remain barren because you don't sell your children. Your life go come dey frustrate. No put out for anybody head or no put out say now winch o. No winch dey their own no. Winch dey their own no. No put out say you possess. No put out say now one kind of spirit, because we Africans we dey sabi dey put out for people faults. We dey sabi dey put our fault for people blame. They blame people for am. I be I talk away some pidgin self na out pass English. We dey sabi dey put fault they blame people for our mistake. How you go carry belle, you go sell am? I don't understand. You know they pain you. You okay? The ones wey they born natural, you know they pain. Even if you use operation self, born the pikin self, it go take time heal. You know they pain you. You carry am, you go sell am 1 or 2 million naira. You sell am, sell your own flesh and blood. Some say they will breastfeed the pikin before they go sell am. So you allow your pikin suck your breast before you go sell am. You don't cause confusion for your life finish. If you are that woman, if you are that sister, where they do that thing for Malaysia, you better stop. You better stop now. Maybe now only one pikin now remain for your womb. Mona share this video so that it go reach Malaysia people here. Maybe now only one pikin remain for your womb. You better stop so that when you need them, when you won't settle down, at least the remaining one you go born her. Because if you sell all your children where God destined for your life, if time don't reach, just the pity for the men we go marry those women. Like the pity you see and so now. For the men we go marry those women, now just the pity for them. They no go know. They will just put them for house as wife. 1 year go pass, 2 years go pass, 3 years go pass. They no go see pikin born. They no go know. The woman no go confess so. The woman no go confess. But let me tell you, there is law of karma. Karma, hey, karma big pass who they swear give. Karma big pass who juju cause. Law of karma. Nobody they fear escape am. Whatever you sow, you will reap. Nobody they fear escape am. So not just feel say when you wrong, go out of God, go repent. You feel say you don't escape am. You go still suffer for am. You go suffer for am. God feel accept you. Say, I don't forgive you, but you must pay back. That is law of karma. Because now big sin. Make una share this video. Make it reach everybody here. I beg, mothers. I beg. Make we try. Protect. See, hey. I know if shame they catch me. I know if feel. I beg. Those ones not be mothers. Those ones not be mothers. Hey, make them not use their own tasting great mothers. What's it be that? What kind of business is that? Child trafficking. Born your own pikin, you go sell am. This one said, hey God. Prostitution don't tire una. Which that one no ever felt good though. Which we dey pray make una stop that prostitution. Una come enter say inside the prostitution una go carry belle, una go born. Una come go sell am after una don sign contract. You people will suffer for it. Even if you repent though, you will suffer for it. God will forgive you. Because God is a merciful God. But you will suffer for it. Please share this video and subscribe. I love you guys. And I'm going to come back with another hot topic. I'll see you. Bye.